It's Teacher Paula with VIPKid. I'm coming today to tell everyone how to send an e-card to their students. Lots of people have been asking on Facebook, and so I thought, why not? Perfect time. So step one, choose the student that you want to send an e-card to in your mobile app. It only will work in the mobile app. You cannot do it from the teacher portal. Just click on their name. Step two, click on the package in the top right-hand corner of the student page. Step 3, click on Send a Card at the bottom. Step 4, choose a card, any card you want to choose. Some cards are free and some cost tokens. I just always use the free ones. Write what you want to write to your student, click Send. Then it'll ask you if you want to really send it and confirm it, then you can do that also. Thanks, I hope you enjoyed this and you learned how to send an e-card. Please hit the subscribe button and the like button. Happy teaching. Bye-bye.